love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand? With every guitar string scar on my hand, I take this magnetic force of a man to be my lover.
Look in my eyes, they will tell you the truth. The girl of my story has always been you. I'd go down with the Titanic, it's true for you.
Yeah, I feel kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Oh, baby,
And you'll say all you did is just for me.
Life is about experiences. Catching sunrises, hiking mountains, and meeting new people. I'd rather have stories to tell than stuff to show. This is a story about my epic Norwegian road trip.
orchard of Oliver's house. Enter Adam and Orlando.
Sir Roland has died. Orlando is sorrowful that his brother Oliver is mistreating him. He shares his misery with Adam when Oliver enters.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
I remember that my father had left 1,000 crowns in his will and has given responsibility to my brother Oliver, but he has kept me at home with no proper education. How do I differ from the others that he kept in his stall? I soon take rebel against it.
My master, your brother.
Adam, go and hide and see how my brother treats me.
Now sir, what are you making here?
Nothing, sir. I was never taught to make anything.
Do something useful and get lots from here.
What money of mine that I have spent in poverty now?
Do you know where you are, sir?
Yes, sir, very well.
Do you know before whom you are?
Yes, sir, better than you know me. Since you are the eldest, tradition consider you better than me. But I have as much of my father in me as in you.
How dare you talk so?
Come, my brother, you are not strong as me.
Will you lay hands on me, villain?
I am not villain. I am younger son of Sir Roland de Boys, and who say me villain is thrice villain.
Sweet masters, be patient for the sake of your father's memory. Please be at peace. Your father's memory, please be at peace.
Let me go.
I won't let you go until you listen me. My father has given responsibility to you to educate me like a gentleman, but you have treated me like a peasant. Either you educate me like a gentleman or give my 1,000 crowns back.
What will you do once you spend it? Tell me. Well, sir, I shall give you your part of inheritance. I no longer want to told by you.
I shall disturb you no more than required.
Get out of this, you old dog.
His old dog, my word, I have served your family so long. Peace be with my old master. He would never have called me so.
Hello, Dennis. Did you come to my phone? It's Charles, the chief wrestler. You have to come speak with me.
Yes, he is here at the door. This is me speaking to you.
Call him in. Come, Charles. Sit here.
Good day, my lord.
Good Moses, what is it? Letting you set the course.
There's no new kind of code, sir. Only the old review. The old review managed by the younger brothers.
Do you know where his role has been banned by the tips?
No, she is very much loved by that cousin, the new daughter, and they have been together for so long that it would kill them if they were separated.
Where is the oldie?
It said that he is in the forest of Arden.
Do you see tomorrow?
Yes, sir, I am, and I came to inform you about the matter. I have come to know that your brother Orlando is planning to fight against me. I am running for my reputation, and if anyone escapes from me, it would be exceptional. Your brother is very young. For the love I have for you, I hate to press him. My mother is anti-state, so I can't let him be.
Thank you for love. I came before my thank answer and try to stop him, but he is some fellow said, therefore you will judge him.
I am dead, yet I came here to you. I shall pay him. If he comes, I shall never have him for a private again.
Farewell, good child.
Rosalind, please be happy. Dear Celia, I look happier than I am, and you want me to be even more happier? Unless you can teach me to forget a banished father, you should not ask me to be happier.
Now I see that you do not love me as much as I love you. If my uncle, your banished father, had banished your uncle, that's my father. And if I was still with you, I would have accepted your father as my own.
Well, I will try to forget my situation and be happy in yours.
Yeah, you know that I'm the only child of my father. When he dies, you shall be his heir. And whatever he has taken from your father shall be returned by me in love to you. I promise. And if I break my promise, turn me into a monster.
I shall from now. Let's play some game. Let's see. What do you think falling in love?
Falling in love? Yes, let's play with it. But do not love any man in earnest. Or do not play the game of love too much, because it will be hard for you to get rid of.
Then what shall we play?
Let's see and mock fortune so that she bestow her gifts on us.
I wish we could do so, but her gifts are misplaced very much. Especially the bountiful woman makes mistakes, especially in her gifts to women.
Yeah, it is true. Those women she makes fair never gives honesty. And those she makes honest, she makes them ill-favored.
Wait, now you're confusing between the words of fortune and nature. Fortune decides the gifts we receive, and it's nature who makes us.
If nature had made a creature beautiful, can't fortune make it fall into a fire? Though nature has allowed us to mock fortune, but sent this fool to interrupt our argument.
Indeed, fortune is more stronger than nature. It has sent a natural fool to cut off our natural wit.
Maybe it's not the work of fortune, but of nature, to stop our foolishness of talking about goddesses. How are you, Wit? What are you doing here?
Mistress, you must go to your father.
Did he make you a messenger?
No, by my honor, I was bid to come for you.
Where did you learn to say that?
I learned it from certain knight who swore by his honor that the pancake were good and that the mustard seeds were bad. However, to me, the pancake was bad and the mustard seeds were good.
Here comes Master Livio.
With his mouth full of news.
Yes, which he will feed us like pigeon feed the young ones.
Then we shall be full of news?
Yeah. Bonjour, Master Livio. What's the news?
Fair princess, you have missed some good sport.
Sports? Of what color?
What color, madam? How should I answer you?
As your wit and fortune allows.
You confuse me, ladies. I was about to tell you a good wrestling match which you have missed. Tell you from the beginning. If it interests you, you can watch how it ends.
The beginning is already dead and buried.
But what is the sport month this year that the ladies have missed?
Mine one.
It is the first time that I ever heard it was a sport for the ladies.
Me too.
Shall we go, cousin?
Yeah, they are coming.
Good day, dears.
Good day, my uncle.
Good day, father.
Good day, sir.
Let's begin. Since the young man is not ready to step from the competition, let him suffer from his own stubbornness.
Is that the man?
Yes, madam.
Alas, he is too young, yet look confident.
Are you here to watch the wrestling?
Yes, my lord, if you allow us to.
Yes, you may. You will be not enjoying it very much because the chances for the young man to win is very less. I tried to stop him, but he wouldn't. Speak to him, ladies, and try to dissuade him from competing, if you can.
Call him, Monsieur.
Good day, challenger.
Good day.
The princess is calling you.
Young man, you have challenged Charles, the wrestler?
I attend all respect and duty.
Young man, you are very bold. See what Charles done to other wrestlers. We request you to give up this competition.
No, fair princess, he's a genuine challenger. I came here only to see the strength of my youth.
Please, young sir, your reputation will not be damaged. We shall request the Duke to cancel the wrestling match.
I wish you to not punish me with such kind of thoughts.
Well, our prayers are with you.
May you achieve your heart desires.
Where is this man who wishes to die so soon? You can't mock me during the match.
May Hercules give you strength and power.
So the winner is Orlando.
It's enough now. How are you, Charles?
He can't speak.
Take him away. What's your name, young man?
Orlando, my lord, the youngest son of Sir Roland de Bois.
I hope that you were son of someone else. But good luck, young man.
I am proud to be son of Sir Roland de Bois. He couldn't give it up, even Duke adopted her.
My father had loved Sir Roland very much. If I had known that this young man is his son, so with more tears I would requested him to stay away from the match.
My dear cousin, let us go and congratulate him, because I am sad that how my father treated him. Sir, you deserve to win this victory very much.
Can I not say thank you? I feel my good manners have been overthrown.
Good. Gentleman, wear this for me. I have lost my wealth, else I could give you more. Shall we go, cousin?
Yes. Fare you well, fair gentlemen.
What is the way that come upon my tongue? I could not speak to her, though she argued me to talk. Oh, poor Orlando, you are defeated by more something delicate than you.
Good day, sir. As a friend, I request you to leave this place because the Duke is not happy with your success. He might be planned to do something.
Thank you, sir. Can you tell me which of those was Duke's daughter?
If we judge by the manner, the smaller one is daughter of Duke and another one is daughter of banished Duke. Fare you well, sir.
I am much indebted to you. Fare you well.
I'm scared of the voices, of the click, of the beat, of the music I've been hearing all night. Pause. Play, repeat. I'm scared of the mountain, of the river, of the fire, of the sound of lightning in the sky. Those sounds.
इसके पास थोड़ा ही ले जाना है।
फटाक से ए हटो यार तुम लोग। तो है आप कैसे हटे? हमको लग रहा है कुछ मांग रहे हैं खाने के लिए।
रुक जाओ।
ऐसे पकड़े तो रुक जा। 3, 2, 1 action.
Do you know where you are, sir?
Yes, sir. Very well.
Do you know before whom you are?
Before you, whom you are?
Yes, sir. Better than you know me. Since you are the eldest, consider. Incorrect.
3, 2, 1 action.
Do you know where you are, sir?
Yes, sir. Very well.
Do you know before whom you are?
Yes, sir. Better than you know me. Since you are the eldest, tradition consider you better than me. But I have as much of my father in me.
Sweet masters, be patient for the sake of your father's memory. Please be at peace.
थोड़ा आराम से।
सोच रखा था बस बोलने की देरी थी मुझे टाइम नहीं
अंशी वो एग्जाम मेरे सामने बैठी थी। Sweet masters, be patient for the sake of your father's memory. Please be at peace.
Let me go. I won't let you go until you listen me. My father.
Action.
Hello, Dennis. Did you come to my work? Is Charles the big wrestler? He had to come speak with me.
Yes, he is here at the door.
Come in.
Good day, my lord.
Good morning, sir. What is it? Lady who is at the door.
They are going to grant the court, sir. Only the court is the old Duke banished by.
हिंदी बोलो ना करे कि मेरे पापा मेरे अंकल तुम्हारी बैनिश
तुम्हारे let's sit and mock fortune so that she bestow her blessings on us. I wish we could.
ये रिकॉर्डिंग बटन। रुक वेट।
और फिर उसके बाद ये बोलेगी लिव यू से कॉल दैट मैन। तो फिर उसके बाद लिव यू उधर जाएगा तो कैमरा उसकी तरफ उधर जाएगा एंड देन फिर अंश उधर ही खड़ा रहेगा। तो फिर ये तुम्हारे साथ आएगा एंड तुम्हें ये हाथ ऐसे ऐसे ही हिलाना है। क्लास दिखनी चाहिए और तुम्हारा हाथ इसका हाथ बार बार ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा है। मतलब 2, 1 स्टार्ट। रुक जाओ भाई, तुम्हारे में बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है। आपने नहीं, तुम्हें इसमें नहीं रहोगे तुम।
मानसू सामने मत बोले।
इसमें फोकस डालो उन लोग को। रोलिंग।
रुको वेट।
तुम इसी को कर रहे हो
और क्या?
हाँ तो ये बस बहुत हुआ। या नो मोर।
No more.
नो मोर
No more.
नो मोर
नो मोर मतलब गुस्सा दिखाना है, गुस्सा।
क्या करो ना, एक बार बैठो बैठो, बैठ के एक बार बोलो नो नो, बोलते बोलते उड़ जाओ नो। बिहाइंड द स्क्रीन
सामने देखो, सपोज यू आर
Let's begin. Since the young man is not ready to step away from the competition, let him suffer from his own stubbornness.
But he wouldn't. Speak to him and try to dissuade him from competing if you can.
Action.
Let's begin. Since the young man is not ready to step away from the competition, let him suffer from his own stubbornness.
दो सीन में पूरा छोटा छोटा किए
सीन में शेयर करने
और इसके बाद क्या है? तुम इसकी बात को काटते हुए बोलोगे, उसको पूरा खत्म नहीं करना।
No more.